YB30 desktop for Axis engraving machine. Compact size, high precision, easy operation. Suitable for jade, wood, acrylic, metal, and more. It meets over 70% of fine processing needs. Supports pendants, seals, beads, and various product processing. 4-axis linkage handles. 3D rotary and flat relief engraving in one machine. Dual Y-axis structure. More stable, higher precision. Precision reducer. Smooth rotation, finer engraving. Precision clamping system. Rotary chuck plus flat fixture. For secure holding. Auto tool setting. Fast and accurate. Improves efficiency. Power off resume. Continue machining after interruption. Enclosed workspace. Dust proof. Safer and cleaner. Hand controller. Easy operation. Beginner friendly. Desktop design. Space saving and easy to transport. Ideal jade processing shops, antique and collectibles workshops, educational training facilities, and engraving enthusiasts. YB30 desktop for Axis engraving machine. Make engraving easier. Contact us for more details.